Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, May 31st. Jen Amos is off this week. The bulls are back on Wall Street following the long Memorial Day weekend. Stocks are following the global market sharply higher, as investors seem to be largely shrugging off a weak report on the U.S. housing market. The S&P Case-Shiller Index showed that the price of single-family homes in 20 major cities fell for the 8th straight month in March, and confirmed that there is a double-dip recession in housing. Overall, prices fell 0.8% below February's level and are down 3.6% over the past year. Following the data, Treasury prices and the dollar remain lower. The U.S. currency has been losing ground to the euro recently on optimism that Greece will get another bailout from the European Union and International Monetary Fund. Meanwhile, the dollar's weakness today is propping up commodities prices. Right now, crude oil is jumping above $103 a barrel, and gold is trading near $1,540 an ounce. Much of the day's corporate news is coming from the technology sector, as the Computex trade show gets underway in Taiwan. Intel kicked things off by announcing details of its new Ultrabook, a tablet-like laptop computer that the company predicts will take 40% of the consumer laptop market by the end of next year. Shares of Intel are rising about 1.5% on the news. Apple is also higher in early trading, up more than 1% right now. The company will unveil its new Lion operating system and launch iCloud, a new cloud services platform, at a conference on June 6th, and CEO Steve Jobs will give the keynote speech at that meeting. Shares of chip makers Broadcom and Nvidia are jumping this morning following analyst upgrades, along with eBay. ThinkEquity boosted the online auction site from hold to buy, sending the stock up 2%. But one stock trading sharply lower this morning is Nokia. The Finnish mobile phone giant is tumbling 13% after warning of weaker results going forward. Nokia said sales from its devices and services division will be much weaker than expected in the current quarter, due to lower selling prices and volumes. We also have some M&A news to tell you about today. Specialty chemicals group Ashland is buying closely held International Specialty Products for $3.2 billion in cash. Ashland says the deal will boost its position in the personal care, pharmaceutical, and energy markets. Its stock is gaining nearly 9% on the news. Meanwhile, buyout firm KKR is adding Academy Sports and Outdoors to its retail portfolio. Academy has 131 locations in 11 southeast states. KKR previously invested in Dollar General, which it took public in 2009, as well as Toys R Us. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. And one more retailer to tell you about this morning, Limited Brands. The parent of Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works is gaining more than 1% after saying it will give a special dividend of $1 a share on July 1st. Finally, to our weekly look at the financial institutions that closed their doors last week. According to Weiss Ratings, the list includes only one bank, the First Heritage Bank in Washington. So far this year, 44 banks and thrifts have shut down, along with 8 credit unions. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.